Join us as we dive into the lessons from NASA's Starliner failure and see what we can learn from the Challenger and Columbia disasters. NASA's Starliner mission was supposed to be a major milestone in the company's efforts to return to the forefront of space travel. Launched in December 2019, the Starliner spacecraft was designed to carry astronauts to the International Space Station, marking a significant step forward in the development of commercial crew spaceflight. But what makes this mission so significant is the historical context in which it's taking place. We've seen some devastating setbacks in the past, like the Challenger and Columbia disasters, which remind us of the risks and challenges involved in space exploration. The Starliner mission faced a number of specific challenges that ultimately led to its failure. One of the biggest technical hurdles was the difficulty in integrating the spacecraft's systems, including its propulsion, life support, and communication systems. Despite rigorous testing and simulation, the team struggled to get all these components to work seamlessly together. Another challenge was the limited window of opportunity for the spacecraft to reach the International Space Station, with a narrow launch window and a complex series of orbital maneuvers required to reach the ISS. The mission team had their work cut out for them. Furthermore, the spacecraft's navigation system was found to have a software bug, which caused the spacecraft to misjudge its position and velocity. And to make matters worse, a communication breakdown between the spacecraft and ground control meant that critical data wasn't being transmitted back to mission control. All these technical failures had serious implications for the future of crewed missions. The Starliner failure is a sobering reminder of the importance of learning from past mistakes. The Challenger and Columbia tragedies are a grim reminder of the risks involved in space travel. The Challenger disaster, which occurred in 1986, was caused by a faulty O-ring in one of the solid rocket boosters, leading to a catastrophic explosion just 73 seconds into the flight. The Columbia disaster, which happened in 2003, was caused by a piece of foam insulation that broke off during launch and damaged the shuttle's heat shield, leading to a fatal re-entry. In both cases, a combination of technical failures and human error led to tragic consequences. These disasters highlight the importance of a robust safety culture, where risks are rigorously assessed and mitigated, and where teams are encouraged to speak up if they have concerns. The lessons learned from these tragedies are crucial in informing current safety protocols and risk management in space missions. For instance, NASA now has a more robust system of checks and balances in place, including independent oversight and review boards. The agency also emphasizes the importance of a safety-focused culture, where employees are encouraged to report any concerns or anomalies. Furthermore, NASA has developed more advanced testing and simulation techniques, including digital twin technology, to identify potential risks and failures before they become critical. By learning from the past, NASA can reduce the risk of similar disasters occurring in the future. The pivotal moment in the Starliner mission that led to its failure was the software bug that caused the spacecraft's navigation system to malfunction. This critical failure was a direct result of inadequate testing and a lack of robustness in the spacecraft's systems. It's a stark reminder of the importance of rigorous testing and validation, and the need for multiple redundancies in critical systems. When we look back at the Challenger and Columbia disasters, we can see similar patterns emerging. In both cases, technical failures were compounded by human error and a lack of robust safety protocols. By connecting the dots between past incidents and current failures, we can learn valuable lessons about how to improve safety and reduce risk in space missions. The Starliner failure is a harsh reminder that, even with the best technology and the brightest minds, space travel is still a high-risk endeavor. But it's also an opportunity to learn and grow, to dust ourselves off and try again. As we move forward with new missions and new technologies, it's crucial that we remember the lessons of the past, and that we prioritize safety above all else. By learning from history, we can ensure that future missions are safer, more efficient, and more successful. We would love to hear your thoughts on the Starliner failure in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stellar content. Together, let's continue to explore the final frontier, here on Stellar Science. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.